Okay. That's pretty easy, right? If I had the square root of something and the answer ended up being 5, what did that something have to start out as? What? 5 squared, which is what? That means x had to be 25, right?
Yes.
Okay. I like this little list. See that, right? This is awesome. So fun. What about that one? Cube both sides. And what would m be? No one knows? Can't figure it out? What? 216, yes. Exactly. Okay, what if it looked like this? What if it's not just something straightforward? What if I have what about that? Square it. Gotta square this side, right? So what ends up being over here? And what ends up being over here? Okay, what is it? It is 289. And then what happens? Okay. 286 divided by 2 is 143. Okay? Great. Easy enough, right? For now. Alright, I'm going to give you one more. Alright, now. What's up with this? It is crazy. Crazy. Right, there's stuff inside and outside. So what do I need to do with this one? Subtract 7. And then what? Divide by 3. And then what? Great. Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Alright, it's time to get out those whiteboards. You want to try erase markers? I'm going to put a problem on the board. I want you to work the problem on your whiteboard. Compare your answer with your partner. You two can compare since both of your partners are taking a test. And just show it to the projector. You can come up here. You walk over here. Oh, yeah.
You can walk up here.
Anyway, and then I'm going to call time. Everybody's going to show me their answer, okay? With work, not just an answer. Not like, it's 12. I want to know how you got it because it's really easy to get it off somebody else's board, okay? All right, so we'll start off easy. All right, that one's pretty simple. So on this one, the radical is already isolated, so it's ready to be squared. Remember, nothing can come out of that radical until it's been squared. It's isolated, I can square it right now as it is. So I have 25 equals x plus 3. So 22 is x, right? Okay. All right, let's try another. Yes, please, give us a quiz. All right, try this one. All right, let's see what you got. All right, good, very good, very good. So what's the first thing you have to do on this one?
Add 8.
Add 8. 8. Okay, and then what? Now it's ready to be squared. Now the radical's been isolated. It's ready to be squared. So this side is just 5a minus 5. And this side is 25. Add 5, which gives me 5a equals 30. Divide by 5, which gives me a equals 6. Alright, great. Try this one. On this problem, Juan's not even in here right now. He did. Alright, then what happened? Equals 512? Perfect. Alright. Alright, I'll give you an ugly one. But I'm making it up, so good luck.
Oh my word.
Which one's right?
-1.
Alright, let's check. So I'm going to start out subtracting 11. And that's going to give me -4. And then I divide by 2. And I have a -2. When I take that to the third power, it's -8. Remember, a negative to a third power is still going to be negative because you have an odd number of negatives in there. Subtract 3, -11. Okay, let's get serious about this. Just quit playing it to this point. You were right in your process. That is the correct process. But let's check that. Okay? So you got 2/3, right? times 2/3. 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1.
1.
What's the square root of 1? And what's 1 plus 9? Not 8.
10.
Yeah. 10. Yeah. How'd I get where? I'm checking it. 3 times 2/3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. And 1 plus 9 is not 8. Okay? This one has no solution. Yeah, and that no solution happens right here. Okay? That's where the problem is. You gotta check your answers, especially if you end up with a negative over there on that side with the square root. Alright? We'll do one more and then I'll let you start on your homework.
Is that homework like that?
Yep. So I'm going to start by subtracting 16. Divide by 2. Now, why is it such a big deal? Because this is equal to negative. Cube, it's odd. It's an odd root, so it's not going to be that big of a deal that it equals a negative. Because you can have negatives there. A negative 500. Awesome. Alright.